Greetings. I am Vinayak Kumar.
I am Kumar Divyanshu Raj.
We are from class 9 and we have come up with a completely new idea of generating electricity through snow. In today's world, we are dependent on thermal power plants for electricity generation at the rate of 58.7% as per the government data. So, there is a need to reduce this dependence. So, we have come up with many other sources of generating electricity, but everything has its own pros and cons. Like, for example, we have hydel power, wind energy, solar energy, but hydel power causes the destruction of ecosystem for constructing of dams, while the wind energy is not energy efficient. So there is a need to find eco-friendly as well as efficient sources of generating electricity. Our idea is to use snow to generate electricity. What is snow? Snow is a solidified form of water which is found abundantly in many regions of the world, but it has no use for the common people. We have planned to utilize the weight of the snow which is to be converted into electrical energy.
So when a truck will put snow into this platform, this will move downwards due to gravity. As it will move, it will carry a rag gear also, which will also move upward. This rag gear will then rotate a 40 teeth gear. This 40 teeth gear will then rotate a 20 teeth gear. So the ratio will be 1:2. This 20 teeth gear will be stick to the 80 teeth gear, so both will rotate at the same speed. This will be the first set of the gear. So we are going to use 5 set of gears. In the last 5th set, the 80 teeth gear will then rotate a small 40 teeth gear. On this 40 teeth gear, a generator will be attached which will produce electricity. The initial RPM of this mechanics will be 1200 RPM rotation per minute. The electricity is then produced. The snow line here will go into this pool by a inclined plane. When snow will melt, it will form water. This water can be purified and can be reached to common people or can be directly dumped into the water bodies.
As it can be seen, it is completely eco-friendly source of generating electricity. It is a completely new idea to utilize the snow which has no use for the people, and it can be very efficient in places which have snow in abundant amount in all seasons of the year. So it can be a great source for generating electricity. Thank you.